Enabling two-factor authentication on your Peacock account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Peacock website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. This is where you will find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to choose your preferred method of receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Verify your method. Follow the prompts to verify your chosen method. This may involve entering a code sent to your phone or generated by your authentication app to complete the setup. Now your Peacock account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible to ensure smooth access to your account.